We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2016 Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. A lot has been done to this bike, and that's what's pretty cool about the bolts. They're very easily customizable. Has a fork bag, front fairing, aftermarket grips, a nice big intake for the 2-into-1 exhaust, really nice saddlebags, passenger backrest, this bike looks really good in person, and we only have 8,199 miles. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.